I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it from me. If you need to get a refund for a cancelled event on the Ticketmaster app, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Ticketmaster app. Launch the Ticketmaster app on your device and log into your account. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app for the best experience. Step 2. Go to your events. Navigate to your events section, usually found on the home screen or in the menu. This is where you can see all your purchased tickets. Step 3. Select the cancelled event. Find the event that has been cancelled and tap on it to view more details. Look for any notifications regarding the cancellation. Step 4. Request a refund. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the enter.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Check your email. After submitting your refund request, check your email for a confirmation message from Ticketmaster. This will provide details on the status of your refund. Remember, refunds can take a few days to process, so be patient. If you encounter any issues, you can always reach out to Ticketmaster's customer support for assistance. Good luck, and I hope you get your refund smoothly.